Hello and welcome. We are inside of gemini.google.com. And inside of Gemini, when you run a deep research report by going to your dialog box, clicking on Deep Research and writing in a query, you're typically going to get a long report. If we go to this element, you'll notice here that the Deep Research report has already been run for a specific query. A query was given. Gemini came back with a plan. You can see the plan here. And Gemini executed the plan in order to do deep research, and the plan was then executed. One thing that you can do with your deep research is you can go to the Create button. You can then create a web page from the deep research. And to do that, you're going to click on Web Page. What you will then see on the left side menu is that Gemini will then start the process of synthesizing your information and then turning it into HTML code to become a website. As our other processes using AI, this one is also not instantaneous, so we're going to stop the video here. We're going to pick it up from the creation of the actual website, and you can see that the coding is taking place in real time. Once the coding is complete, you'll be able to see a preview. What that now means is that we can take the code and we can copy the entire code. You can then open up your favorite HTML editor. You are then going to replace all of the code inside of the sample page. You will then paste in your code. In this particular case, we're going to say, OK, and we know that the code that we are placing is large, and it's going to take time to import. If the code does not look correct, you may have to undo that code and make sure that your first statement is an HTML statement. We're going to click then inside of the area, and then we can then see our website. What we can then do is we can make this an index page, and we can place the index page on our server. And our page is now available on the web. Be patient with that. Thanks, and I will see you in another video.